Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing 1 to 3 high-impact use cases that move revenue or cut costs. Explain why. Focus narrows resources and accelerates measurable wins. Once chosen, pull the precise datasets you already have: CRM records, ERP outputs, logs, spreadsheets, and map fields. Make sure to define success criteria up front. Target KPIs, timelines, and minimum model accuracy. This prevents scope creep and lets you take the first actionable steps now instead of waiting for perfection. You prototype fast. Use a small, representative dataset and a simple model to prove the idea. Explain how. This produces early signals and avoids wasted engineering. Once done, validate with real users and measure lift versus the existing baseline. Collect qualitative feedback too. Make sure to iterate on the data pipeline, add rigorous feature engineering, and bake in explainability so stakeholders trust outputs. If the prototype shows promise, scale the pipeline and automation incrementally to preserve speed and control. You deploy in stages. Start with shadow mode, then a canary rollout before full production. Explain why. Staged deployment limits risk while exposing real-world signals. Once live, monitor model performance, data drift, latency, and the business KPIs you defined. Make sure to set alerts and automated retraining triggers. If results degrade, troubleshoot by checking input schema, label quality, and distribution drift. Roll back to the last trusted model if needed. This final step completes delivery and keeps value flowing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.